Revolt has now reduced the price of its bikes, that is the RV400 and RV400 BRZ, by 5,000 rupees. The e-bikes now are priced at 1.50 lakhs and 1.430 lakhs respectively. Revolt is offering an additional discount of rupees 10,000 on both the bikes. Customers looking to trade in the existing bike can get an extra 5,000 rupees off. Revolt said by optimizing production cost of spare parts and batteries, it is able to offer the product at a competitive price. This is Anjali Rattan, Co-Chairman of RattanIndia Enterprises, the parent company of Revolt Motors, said. We are delighted to unveil this new pricing and exclusive features for our electric bike, delivering the best possible value. Customer satisfaction remains a topmost priority, and we are committed to making high-quality, environment-friendly mobility accessible to all. The Revolt RV400 and BRZ uses a 3.2 kWh battery pack that powers a 3 kW electric motors. It claims a maximum range of 150 kilometers.